My name is Zane Lee and I'm an Area Manager for Sheen Panel Service.
My name is Daniel.
My name is Bonnie and I'm the bookkeeper at Sheen Panel Service in Ferntree Gully.
What led me to picking Sheen was I saw the position advertised and I looked at the criteria that they were looking for and thought, you know what, that's me.
I picked Sheen for job security and their reputation.
I really like the culture here at Sheen Panel Service. I like coming in and working with the guys.
And what makes Sheen a great place to work is that it's a small team within a larger community that has the support of a large organisation but the feel of a small shop.
We treat every car like it's our own. We've got a great attention to detail.
Is there ongoing support and recognition of staff's achievements through their career?
What I'd say to somebody who's looking at joining the Sheen team is do it. They are a fantastic bunch to work for. Benefits are great. The people, you'll be learning every day. It's just fantastic to work for. They are fantastic to work for.